Hey everyone, welcome back to OnTarget with Archer. I'm Stacy Bresler, Managing Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. And, well, let's just be honest. Cybersecurity incidents never seem to happen on a quiet Tuesday afternoon when everyone is available, every system is functioning normal, and all the information is just neatly organized. Instead, they always show up at the worst possible times. Somebody's on vacation or key personnel are unavailable. The information isn't as complete as you expected. You obviously have some rumors that are starting to circulate. Leadership wants answers right now. Operations, they just want updates, and nobody has the full picture. I participated in a lot of incident response exercises and actual incidents over the years. And one thing I've consistently observed is that tabletop exercises tend to be far more orderly than the real incidents. In a tabletop, the scenario, it unfolds in a controlled manner. Participants have time to think, questions get answered, facts are presented when they're needed. Real incidents don't work that way. Real incidents, they are just absolutely messy. In the early stages of a cybersecurity event, organizations, they often know very, very little. They may know something is wrong, but not what happened. They may see unusual activity, but not understand the scope. They may have some indicators, but no conclusions yet. And yet decisions still need to be made. That's where many organizations encounter their first challenge. Not because they lack technical expertise and not because they lack procedures, but because uncertainty creates pressure. When people are under pressure, communication changes, decision-making changes, assumptions start filling information gaps, teams become focused on their individual responsibilities and sometimes lose sight of the larger picture. The technical aspects of incident responses are very important, but many response challenges are actually human challenges. Who has authority to make decisions? When should leadership become involved? Who is communicating with external stakeholders? What information has been verified and what is still speculation? Those questions can become surprisingly difficult when events are unfolding in real time. That's why the most effective incident response programs do more than document procedures. They build confidence. They create clarity around roles and responsibilities. They exercise realistic scenarios where information is incomplete and decisions may still be made. Most importantly, they help people become comfortable operating in uncertainty, because it's uncertainty that's not the exception during an incident. It's the norm, absolutely the norm. Organizations, they often spend significant effort building these response plans. That's really important, but a plan alone isn't what determines success. Guess what? People do. The organizations that respond most effectively are usually not the ones with the thickest binders or the most elaborate diagrams. They're the ones where people understand their roles, they trust each other, they communicate clearly, and they remain disciplined when the pressure starts building. Because when an incident occurs, nobody gets to pause the clock while they're figuring things out. The event is already happening, and that's why preparation matters. Not because it eliminates any uncertainty, it doesn't, but because it helps people function effectively despite uncertainty. One of the most valuable lessons I've learned over the years is that organizations rarely rise to the occasion during a crisis. It's just a simple fact. More often, they fall back on the habits, discipline, and preparation they've developed long before the incident began. That's it for this episode of OnTarget with Archer. I'm Stacy Bresler. Stay prepared, stay focused, and I'll see you next time.
Don't miss out on any of our insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay informed whenever we release new videos. For top-tier security solutions, Archer is your trusted partner. Explore our offerings at archerint.com and get in touch via email or phone to fortify your company's defenses. Your questions drive our content. Leave them in the comments below and join us every Monday for a fresh episode of On Target with Archer.